You have probably come across how to make money online by watching video ads. I tried it and I got these shocking results I'm about to share with you in this video.
First, I'm going to explain exactly how to make this money online watching 30-second ads from either your phone or your tablet. Let's head over to the website called paidwork.com. Now, to make money with this website, it's 100% free and it's available from any country across the globe.
So after watching this particular video on how to make money online by watching video ads on Paidwork, I picked up my phone, signed up immediately and got to work by watching different video ads. But before I take you to my paidwork.com dashboard to show you exactly how much I earned in 24 hours, please note that it is completely free to like this video and hit the subscription button, because it's only going to promote this video to more people out there to watch this kind of videos and see exactly the kind of results people are getting from trying this thing. So having said that, please smash the like button of this video and hit the subscription button to get more of this kind of videos from me, and let's dive into my dashboard. Let me show you exactly how much I earned. So I started watching so many video ads for 24 hours and guess how much I made? Yes, in 24 hours, I watched video ads consistently and I made only 0.18 euro. And according to today's exchange rate, 1 euro is equivalent to $1.09. So now let's do the math. 0.18 euro multiplied by $1.09. This is equal to $0.1962. So within 24 hours, I was able to make only $0.1962.
How much money can you make from watching these ads? If you watch 30-second videos for 8 hours in a day, that's 960 videos in one day. And if you're earning the 1 cent that all three of us were able to earn per 30-second video, that's only gonna be about $9.60 per day. However, if you do this from Monday to Friday each week for a whole month, which works out to about 22 days in a month, you're gonna earn $211.20.
Because she said the more ads we watch, the more money we make, I went back to the app and continued watching ads, and guess what I got? This. There was no more ads to watch and I have to come back in hours, and even when I check back in hours, there was still no ads to watch. So it is practically impossible to make this kind of money in a day. But before you can be able to withdraw your earnings, you have to reach the payment threshold of $10, and imagine making $0.1962 in a day. So how many days exactly is it going to take you to reach the payment threshold of $10 in order to be able to withdraw your earnings? Let's do the math. 10 divided by 0.1962 is equals to 50.9. So it's going to take you approximately 50 days in order to make $10 to be able to withdraw your earnings from this platform. Is it really worth it? Based on my own expectation, it's definitely a no. So let me tell you exactly how this whole watching ads and making money things work. These platforms here we go to watch ads in order to make money are in turn making millions of dollars from these companies that they are displaying their ads on the platform. And how do they make this money? They make this money by the amount of views that are gotten on these particular ads. And in order for them to get these views and send their analytics to the companies displaying ads on the platforms, they need people like you and I to come to the platforms to watch these ads. And in order for them to get to people like you and I, they have to pay a lot of big creators huge amount of money to create videos teaching how to make money on these platforms. So therefore, these creators that are teaching us how to sign up and make money on these platforms are in turn making their own money from these platforms through sponsorship deals, and also they are making money from ad revenues as we are watching these video tutorials on how to make this money from these platforms. But don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to spoil their business, because this is their own business model and I respect it. And in order for them to make money, they need people like you and I who are desperate on how to make money online to spend time on their platforms. But if I must share my candid opinion, instead of spending these 50 days on this platform in order to reach the payment threshold of $10 to make your withdrawal, imagine spending these 50 days on learning a particular skill. You're going to grow to a level that you can also build your own business model around this skill that you have learned and start making money from it. And there are so many skills out there to learn and build your own business model around it, just like I'm doing right now, shooting and creating videos in order to inspire you. You can also learn digital marketing. You can also learn affiliate marketing. You can also learn web and app development or any other skill that appeal to you and build your own business model around it and start making money from it. But I don't know about your own expectations, so if it is worth giving it a try, you can go ahead and give it a shot. But if you want to see how creators are making millions of dollars yearly, real time, click on this video on the screen to see how they are doing it, and see you in this video.